Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I'm here to present to you my very first McCall pattern, and it's also my very first piece that I finished for my spring summer fashion mood board. It is the McCall M7542, which is a top, and it is Fusee. I was inspired by Mimi G many years ago, but I only got around to it this year. So I'm going to link her blog post or video or both of them in the description box. And I also saw that Brittany Jones also made this top. I copy it by the letter, even down to the striped fabric that she used, because I really loved how it stayed on her. So I wanted exactly the same. I showed you guys in my previous video the fabric that I used for it, which is this cotton, striped cotton fabric, and I thought I would give you the gist of the pattern, show you the shirt, but not really get into my favorite part because it's only a top, and I'll give you a little more on the fabric, because I think that is also important when we're sewing, to have knowledge beyond the sewing techniques. Okay, so this pattern is described as a semi-fitted top with a variance of sleeves and also a variance in cup size. So you have cup A up to D, and the sleeves are 5 different options. Fusee, which I made, has 5 pattern pieces, and it is 18 steps to success. In terms of the sewing instructions, it is clear, it has depiction, and it's very easy to follow. The only notion that you need is a hook and eye. So I'll show you. I have my shirt, my top also inside out to give you, because the sewing on the outside, I mean, what it looks like on the outside is important, but I feel like the inside also need a little more attention. So this is the hook and eye that I talked about. This is some hand sewing that I did. It doesn't show on the outside, it's only the inside. That's the only notion that this shirt has. The reason why I chose this, besides that Mimi G inspired me, is that I wanted this fabric to play a centerpiece in my fashion mood board. Let me get a little bit into the cotton. I have 2 books. One of this is this one, and that is Dressmaking. It is the complete step-by-step guide. It is by Alison Smith. I bought it off of Amazon, but this one is, I just want to go into the properties of cotton. They say that cotton it absorbs moisture well, it is stronger when wet, it doesn't build up any static electricity, it dyes well, prone to shrinkage, so be sure to wash your fabric before you start. It creases easily, I can testify to that, and soils easily, but it laundries well. Yes, so I did a little change. This is the top. This is how it looks. I have it combined with my flowery pants. You guys remember that from last year, but that's just because I didn't really feel like doing all the styling because it's very hot. I mean, it's usually not this hot, and I would be the last one to complain about the heat, but this is not fun. Yeah, this is how the top looks on me. I made the A and B cup are almost the same, so I made the A B cup, so those are the darts. I tried to do the pattern matching. It didn't really go, but it's not bad though. I mean, I'm getting better at it. I'm going to insert a picture that I made for the thumbnail and also for my Instagram. I'm going to put it right there so you guys can see. Definitely worth a try. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.